Hey guys, so you may have seen or heard that we launched our website and ordering will now be done through our website instead of on Facebook events. Now you will still get your invites through Facebook and it will have a link to get to our website for that party. So I'm going to show you, once you receive an invite on Facebook, make sure your join is going. And if you want to find that event, the easiest way to find it is through your own page or profile on Facebook. So go to your profile, and then once it loads, you're going to go to More and choose Events, and this will bring you to all of your upcoming events. So I'm going to show you through March Super Saturday how to place an order. See, it shows I'm going. And this right here is where you would want to invite friends if you want to invite some of your friends. So first, join the event is going. Second, this is the link to our website, and it'll explain everything on how to order for this event. As soon as you click this link, it'll go straight to our website. Okay, so now you're on our website, and there's a few things that I want you to pay attention to. The drop-down links here for home craft parties and Signs by Lily. Signs by Lily is a new option that we're offering. Every month we will release pre-designed kits for home craft parties, but now you can also order those anytime to be completed by us if you don't have a party that you're attending, or if there's certain signs you want as gifts, we can complete them for you. And we will revisit that in another tutorial. So, home craft parties. You've been invited to March Super Saturday. This is the information, where it's being held, the time, and most importantly is the order due date. So a lot of people, when they're first starting out with us, they don't know why we have an order due date. And the reason why we have an order due date is because we custom design and cut every single order. So we need time to get those orders ready for the party. So you just want to make sure you pay attention to that order due date. We will do reminders and get your orders in before that due date. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is those pre-designed kits that we release every month. You can order those kits for parties, and that's where this comes in. Click here to order kits, and you can see below it says Shop All Kits. That can also be found in the Home Craft Parties drop down, Shop All Kits. So I'm just going to go to that link directly, and it'll take you to our collections page. And these are all the different collections we have. I'm going to go ahead and do an Easter order because Easter is right around the corner. So once you're in the Easter kit collections, it'll show you all of our pre-designed kits that we are offering. And one of our newer ones is Old Hair Trading Company. And this sign is actually customizable with your last name and your established date. So that's really cool, really cute idea. So the first thing that you're going to want to choose is your vinyl color. Now this sign was done as a stencil, so if you like the look of this sign, you would order as a stencil. What stencil means is that you would paint your background at the party, wait for it to dry, and then you would put your stencil on and paint your words. One of the best things about stencils is that you can then paint your words all different colors, or you can even add glitter to maybe glitter the bunnies if you wanted to do that. Reverse vinyl is your next option, and reverse vinyl also is that hand-painted look, but it's all one color. What you would do is you would paint your background the color you want your words, wait for it to dry, put your vinyl on, and then paint completely over it. And once that's dry, you would remove your words, leaving that hand-painted look. If you don't want to do all of that, you can order in vinyl. Vinyl is always just one color, so if you want multiple colors, it has to be a stencil. So I'm going to go with a stencil, and then enter your custom name and your established year. And the next option is, what are you placing this order for? Are you placing it for pickup, or are you attending one of these parties? And I'm ordering for March Super Saturday. The next option is size, And this kit only comes in one size. It's 18 by 24 pine palette style. That's what PPS stands for, pine palette style. And that's the look of this sign. And then how many do you want? I just want one, so I'm going to leave it as is. And then I'm going to add to cart. So once you add to cart, it takes you to your cart and you'll see the old hair trading kit, and it has the notes for stencil, which is $5 more, and stencil and reverse vinyl are always $5 more because the material is more expensive and it takes more supplies to complete the kit. So if that's all you want, you can agree to terms and conditions, and if you want to read those terms and conditions, you can click on terms and conditions. And then you can check out, either go to the regular checkout to use debit or credit, or PayPal. If you want to add more to your order, you can continue shopping. And then it'll take you right back to where you were shopping before the Easter collection. So in our next tutorial, we're going to talk about custom kit orders. And watch the next tutorial if you want to do a custom kit order.